Okay, these are the water filter that I've used in my fridge. So this is a genuine Samsung filter, and this is a non-genuine. This is a lot cheaper than this. I have used both, and from a taste perspective, I can't tell the difference. So I'm gonna cut them open and see what's the difference inside. Okay, so there's the filter cut open, and that's the hacks that I use. It didn't make much of a mess, so that's what it's like there. So this is the non-genuine one. So if I take it from here, so that's what it looks like. And this is the genuine one. The way it works is the water comes in through the, I'm guessing the center hole there, comes through here and somehow it gets filtered out on this outside ring here and comes on the outside. So if I open this up, so that's part of it. My cutting wasn't quite centered, so it looks like that. There's the cylinder, and whereas the non-genuine one, let's see if I take that out. Does it have a plastic tube? It looks like there's no plastic tube in the middle. Let me see if I can push this out one-handed. Oh no, there we go. So it's a solid charcoal. Let me see if I can take that plastic piece apart. Okay, so I've taken it more apart. So both of them have this same cylinder of charcoal and very similar top piece there. And at the bottom bit, this one, the little plastic in the middle there was just to hold it centered, and it was just glued down. This is the Samsung side, and this is the non-genuine. So similarly, it has that center plastic piece, and at the bottom is this plastic thing that holds it in centered. So there was no plastic down the middle, so very similar from what I can see. So this is the top part as before. So from the inside it looks pretty much the same from what I can see. I don't know if there's a different quality of charcoal, but when I use these, I couldn't taste the difference. So I'll definitely keep buying the non-genuine one, this particular one. Thanks for watching.